Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to harvest one pot of my sweet potatoes. So if you're interested in that, then stick around and stay tuned. So first I'm going to pour this bucket over. This is a plastic bucket. I got two in these and then one in a grow bag. So let me get the hay off. So I'm gonna reuse that. Let me get something to put it in. And I'm gonna just put it in one of these. And I did check in here. No, I'm scared to dig. I did check in here and I did see one potato. So I know I got one. But I don't know if I got more than one. But let's first just pull the hay off so we can reuse that for something else. I saw a purple potato. I see the top of one now. That looked like an orange one. And I think I put 7 slips in here. And we'll see, because some may have died. And I'm going to put these leaves in my Lumi composter in the house. Because I've been using my own compost in the yard. So, there is that. Let me get something to cut these stems back some. This one we had a light frost, and this one kind of died back a lot. So I'm going to get this one. The other two don't look too bad, so I'm going to leave them for a couple more weeks if I can, because we have no cold weather in the next 10 days, or rain. No rain. Haven't had rain. Didn't even get any from that storm, hurricane, or whatever it was. So, and I need some rain, really. Okay. Back to the side. So let's see how many we got. One. Oh. Some of them have double rooted, which is fine. Oh, got one of them green caterpillars in there. Okay. I'm gonna put these somewhere so I can see them. My foot feels like something just bit me. I don't want no spider in my boot. Alright. Let's see what we got. My chicken tail. Nothing. It broke off. Maybe I should just dump it, because I haven't watered this in like a week, because I went out of town for work. So, yeah, I'm just going to dump it. Oh, that's a little teeny. I hope it don't look like that. I did see one big one. So, anywho. We're just going to dump it over. And pray for the best. I got a basket. Let me get my basket. Dump them in. I got some. They small. The ones on the side small. I just broke that one. Oh yeah, I'm for sure letting that one stay. These are small. See, very small. No root bound. The soil is loose, so that's the roots pushing them together. I'm gonna grow them in the ground next year. I really am. Oh, they all little teeny potatoes. Ain't even do much with these. Oh, nothing. They all long and skinny. You can still eat them though. The purple ones didn't get big for me last year either, but the orange ones did. And these orange ones ain't did nothing. I'm trying not to break this few that I got right here that look like a decent size. But are they though? Not this one. Maybe I should have watered them. Oh, these is all little teeny little finger sweet potatoes. Okay, these two. I just stopped being a chicken and plant them in the ground. I like these little ones. I roast these too. These little teeny ones. I roast them. And no big ones. Too many slips. Maybe. And the soil was good loose. It's been 130 days. And these things as little as I don't know what. I think it's the pot. They like the grow bags. They grow good in those. And little. Try not to get dirt in my shoe. I mean, they all little. I'm for sure letting the other one stay longer. To frost. Honey, you can't get much of that with this little bit of potatoes. Start some more slips about all. Oh, it's little. Alright. Got a bunch of pencil ones. Make french fries. With the skin on. I got a worm in here. Not a one. Alright, that's it. Much of nothing. I'll use those pots again. They were new this year. Alright. Okay. As you can see, the soil is really loose. So it wasn't the soil. The roots got very compacted in this plastic barrel bucket. So I will not use that again for sweet potatoes. It's the little one. Well, they all are little. They look like the first year I grew them. And I didn't know what I was doing at all. But anywho, this is all. I got a whole bunch of little teeny little. This is the biggest. And it ain't big as nothing. See? And then that one. But they can cure. Like it, I roast these little ones like sweet potato fries and eat them like that. So they're fine. But they're not for Thanksgiving. But I have two more, unfortunately. And this one is in the same type of bucket. These are my orange ones. But they're in the same bucket. They got a little bit of frost damage. We had we got down to 35 one day, 38 another. And it did that, but they're fine because they're still flowering, as you can see right there. And then I do have one, and what I grew them in last year, which they grew fine. I don't know why I ain't put all of them in there, but I didn't. So I got one of those. So we'll see. And this one got frost damage too. So, but not that as much as those did. But we'll see. I'm gonna let these grow a few more weeks. See if they get bigger. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. I'm going to clean up this mess, and I'm going to put some planted a whole bunch of turnip greens. I'm going to separate those and put them in that pot below. So anyway, thank you guys for stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.